Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about a great website called Typing Speed Test. That's right, for those of you that want to see what your current typing speed is, and for others who want to increase their typing speed, this is the website for you. It's a free website that you can go to and it will accurately check your typing speed. Let's switch screens here. We'll take a look at typing speed test and see how it can work for you. Give me a moment while I switch screens here and we will be off to our demo. There is typing speed test and it can be found at this website here, typing-speed-test.aoeu.eu, which usually means it's out of Europe. But anyway, as you can see at the top of the website, it shows you the most current scores from people that are taking typing tests. Now, the average speed, if you want to get up to a good typing speed, is between 65 and 75 words per minute. As you can see here, some of these people are getting below that, but that's okay. As long as you know how to type and know where your home row is, then you should be in good shape. So to give you a demo of how this website works, I'm going to type, and we get 60 seconds. So as soon as I hit that first key, it's off to the races. So here we go. So the challenge is, if I can get this going, let me get the cursor there and then let's go. So the challenge is that these words are in random format, and the fact that I'm talking while doing the demo probably means that my typing speed is not going to be as quick as it's going to be. Now this website takes into account your mistakes, so that if you make mistakes, it's going to bring down your typing score. But this is a great site for people who want to increase their typing speed, and also for students who are taking typing classes in school. They can go to this website and learn how to type and then also increase their typing speed. So as you can see here, with 19 seconds left, my typing speed is horrible because I'm running my mouth and I'm not able to type like I should. With 6 seconds left to go, we're going to see what my tech tip type speed is, and as you can see, it is a lousy 18 words per minute. Now to start over, all I have to do is click on the restart button and it'll clear it out and bring me a new challenge, and then I can start taking my typing test. So like I said, it's a great website that you can use in order to test your typing speed, and there's statistics of words per minute scores, but average, you should probably be looking 65 to 75 words per minute if you are an average speed typer. So it would be interesting to see what some of you are going to get as far as your scores on this website. So be sure to go to this website, take out your typing speed, or take your typing speed, and then post your comments below as far as what your score is. See if you can beat my lousy 18 words per minute score. So there you have it. As always, if you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below. Would love to hear from you and find out what tech tips that you would like to see in future videos. Speaking of videos, check us out on YouTube. Check out Integral on YouTube. We've got tons of videos that are available as far as different tips that you can learn to get more from the technology that you use. Also, we're all over social media, so check us out there as well. And as always, folks, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile.